Okay, we're going back to the restroom. See if we. Oh, you know what? It was the. Uh, it was the paper towel holder that wouldn't work the last time we were here. Yeah, we couldn't get this thing to work the last time, remember?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Steve.
No matter.
It went crazy.
It went crazy?
Yeah, it went crazy.
Okay.
All right.
Are you nice? Uh-oh.
Are
Okay.
you not nice?
Oh, come on, do something for us. We've been wanting to come back here forever.
Do you like water? Did you see me buy?
Yeah.
Do you like water? Let's see.
What else? Is there anyone here with us right now? Can you touch this thing or go near it so it will go off? We're hoping for a red. We're hoping for a red light. Yes, it doesn't want to play.
It
Yeah.
feels different though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it doesn't want to play today.
My thumb went dead.
Okay, you want me to do it?
There, now I got it.
Here,
There you do. Are you happy we're here? Do you want us to leave? Do you want to play with the paper again?
It worked this time.
The light went on.
The light went on. Oh, God, the light went on.
It went all the way when you did that.
Well, because it's electric. Oh, now it's going to get funky.
No, they made fun last time, remember?
Yeah.
We had to be smarter than the thing.
Yeah. Maybe we got to tear the paper off. Okay. Now do it. Okay. It's one
Last
time.
time it went all the way to the
I know. Huh. Well, they just don't want to play in here
They're not going to play
today.
with us today.
I wanted to play.
Maybe somebody's been playing with something. Be my luck. Putting that back right. It's there. I love that trash.
Okay, I guess we're out of here. Wait, where's the mirror that he was saying? That has a fun house effect. I don't see it. Of course, I'm short. I don't know. Hey.
You got no ideas here.
I don't know. It looks normal to me. Maybe it was coming out for Jean.
Yeah, it doesn't seem to be doing anything
No.
in here.
I'll have to get Jean to come back in here. That's a nice frame with nothing by it. Uh-oh. Okay, let's go. That freaked me out. Okay.
Anybody got anything they want to talk to us about? Are you one of the people in the photograph?
Uh-oh.
Were you happy here? One of them is in those photographs. All the way across the field
Huh.
That's how we are doing.
Hey,
Hi.
how you doing?
Not too bad.
Are you one of the people? Oh, he just went by.
He went by.
He went by.
Every time he goes by. Do you want to go upstairs? Here. They seem to be drawn to him, don't they?
Yeah.
Do you like chevron? Every time you go by, this thing goes nuts. This. Do they follow you around?
They love you.
They love him. Okay. Are you someone in that picture there? Huh.
Did you work here? Were you happy? Were you sad? My hand's going to sleep. Let me think.
That's okay. We better stop for now.
Okay.
Well, it's pretty fun. Well, hopefully we're going to take this back to the house and go through it to see, what happened. And
That guy, but this was the worshipful master.
oh, okay.
And my great-grandfather was a worshipful master. I don't know what it means. I don't know anything about it other than I know very little about it. But worshipful master. It's like the head mason of the town.
Huh.
Yeah, but he's not mine. Mine was a worshipful master out in California or somewhere. No, Detroit. This guy is still around.
He's still around.
He's all up in everyone's business because this is his place.
Hmm.
Above all else and whatever else it's been, this is his place. And he
Cool.
lets you know that if he needs to. I don't know, and I should know it, and I don't. I want to write up a pamphlet. And it's something I'm kind of working on.
That's
because
pretty
I'd like
cool.
to know that, but I'm going to have to dig.
Yeah.
And see, the history books, they put what they want to put in there because the ghosts that made us famous, the two girls, are very prevalent here. And I think one reason it stays prevalent, there's a lot of paranormal investigators that conjure, and they keep them active.
Oh,
That makes
really?
sense. Mediums and such.
Huh.
Yeah, they'll come in and seance and then photograph and use all the
Yeah.
things. But the hotel became a brothel. I lived during the Depression era, hit hard times.
I knew that.
And a lot of these old hotels did.
Yeah.
These train
Oh,
stop
yeah.
hotels, a lot of them did that just to stay afloat,
Stay
whatever
Yeah.
they were into. And some of the history books and the history writings say that they were guests of the hotel. The mother drowned the two kids. The husband came in, saw what she did, threw her out the window.
Wow.
But in actuality, the brothel owner drowned the two kids and threw her out the window.
Oh, no.
So, and
I guess kids are bad for business,
they're great for business, the hotel business, but the hotels compared to the restaurant, it's kind of a novelty. The restaurant pays for the hotel.
Uh-huh.
So, but last year we were booming because it was our 100-year anniversary. We had a lot of people here. They filmed a movie
cool.
here called The Suffering for Sundance Channel. Yeah, they did that documentary. They filmed a TV series here, all kinds of stuff.
The
But those kids are very active.
Aww.
Now, the first encounter I had was with him. Ernie put us in Suite 9, and I'll show you upstairs. Suite 9 and 3 were the meeting rooms, the Mason meeting rooms. And he comes in, you smell him. I smell him in the room. I know what his cologne smells like now. You smell his cologne. I'm sensitive, kind of empathic. I always have been. I felt my chest tighten up. And he came in when I was getting in the shower.
Oh, that perv.
He's a perv ghost. I come out wielding. I heard the door open. I heard him walk in. I come out, hairbrush or whatever. And then nobody there. And I'm like, okay, I'm crazy. So later on, I was up there with my husband. We got in bed. and then he come back in again.
Oh,
And I think Ernie knew all about that. But you know, the last paranormal investigators that come in, I don't even know if Ernie knows because he went out of town that next day. They filmed a woman who come out of a room, shut the door, and went up to Ernie and hugged him good night. And he went on to bed. He didn't know it, but they have that filmed. And I
Oh
can't
my
wait to see it.
gosh.
I don't even know if he knows about it because he just got back into town.
like, we were telling him every time he comes back when we're doing this live,
They are all
would
around
just
him.
It would go right to red.
Yeah.
You know, and he says, "He loves me."
They do love him, and
I think it's because
he loves the hotel. I love the hotel. I'm not a maid, but I just wanted to be a part of it. So I clean rooms, and I show people if they want to see it. My daughters won't stay upstairs, but my youngest will do tours. But they'll only stay in the presidential now. This is like an office. It's not haunted. It's the only guaranteed not haunted room. But the ones on the other end aren't real haunted that I know. That's what one of the girls come out of that, the one that hugged Ernie. But the light shines there. I just have to show you guys. The light doesn't shine.
tell me something.
Sure.
These girls right here, when we were sitting here talking to them, I had the funniest feeling about it, and I said, are you one of the girls in that photograph? And the light just went off all the way to red. And it freaked me
Well,
out.
turn on your little meters when we go upstairs. They say hi to me. They flash the lights. They communicate through the lights. They around people. Stephanie cleans rooms up there. She's a manager. She's like, bad bullshit to everything. Never had an experience. I'm like, they don't like you. That's all. If they like you,
Yeah.
but you know, some people are sensitive to stuff and others aren't. And
Well, did those girls stay in this hotel?
yeah, this was
Were
the
they the
original.
girls?
These were the This was the original family. That's his.
Oh,
family.
that's the original family. Okay.
That's his family.
Aha.
Their blood, sweat, and tears.
No wonder it didn't light up when they said, when we asked him, "Did you work here?"
Yeah.
is that one of y'all girls, or is that that's somebody's?
I'll put it up here.
Oh, that's mine.
It has a bathtub, the others don't. But this is, you got a street view. It's just, this is my room. I like this room.
This is a
But
nice
when I
room.
stay here, they do not let me sleep. They stay clattering in the hallway all night long. They don't come in this room, but they stay in the hallway. I can feel excitement. They get excited. Like when I was staying here, I felt they were excited about it. Like, oh, you're here. You know, it's nighttime because that's when they go. They throw balls. They steal stuff. They will have guests staying in a ball will bounce across the floor, beyond the bed or under the bed that they stole from a previous guest. I mean, they play marbles. Guests complain. There was kids playing marbles all night long in the hallway. You know, complain. I'm like, I'm sorry, those kids. You know, the owner's kids. Because some people don't want to talk about any of this stuff. But this is my room. I just like to show this one first because, in comparison,
This is pretty.
this is our handicap room. So if you off of that, wheelchair acceptable.
Ooh, that's spooky looking right there, Bill.
So, and, you know,
Oh, this is nice.
are these? I don't know if they're haunted. I don't know. I've not had anything
Nothing in
on
this-
this end at all. And this is our suite. I don't know. Housekeeping?
Oh.
I don't know. That's a suite.
Okay. Oh, yeah, the TV's on.
This is suite 9. This is the one he comes into.
Oh.
Now, this is where we said the portal was, right? The portal that they did?
I don't know anything about that stuff. I just know what I go through.
And he said they have tours every once in a... Uh-oh.
I can't show you now.
Okay.
Can't show you now. But that was, those are the two meeting rooms. This one I like because of the walls, the original brick walls.
Ooh,
It's cool in here.
that's pretty.
Usually around apparitions, there's coldness and temperature drops.
Uh-huh.
But in roommate, it boils in there. I don't know if it's the bath. I don't know.
Huh.
But it gets boiling hot in there and there's no sun shining on it. It's so weird.
Wow.
So, but I just like this one.
Pretty.
That's cool.
Yep. And then, let me show you. Stick these up here. All right, this is roommate. And I don't really like to talk about what happened to me around this room, but this is roommate. See how dark it is? And yeah, the sun's over there. It's always dark.
Look at those things that are.
Yeah.
This is it. But,
Is this the room?
This is the room we were in.
This is the
And
room.
I straightened it up because it looked like kids had been playing on it.
And she straightens it
they're always
up. And we found a pink feather
Did you?
on the floor.
They steal stuff. They do. I'll straight up, they do. Weird little things.
Did they turn those that way?
No, I don't think so. No, they're screwed in like that.
Yeah, they're screwed.
Yeah, they're screwed in.
They pester. I keep this key ring either in my pocket or in my bag. And it's like almost like if I'm not paying attention, they sling it down the hallway. Every single thing comes off, because then I gotta sit there and put it in order.
Oh, no.
And I get mad at them. I'm like, stop that, I'm trying to get out of here. You know?
I want to go home.
They're pesky. They leave stuff.
That's sweet.
But, yeah, it's, a lot of people see, I don't want to talk about it in here.
Okay, well,
I got chills. Like
don't talk about it.
Their mama will be out the window. People see an apparition out the window.
Of that one?
Yeah.
That's the
They did.
room
They climbed it up the window. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Like she can't get in. Like it's really sad.
Oh, man.
I don't like. That's why I don't like the Conjuring stuff. Room 7. When they bought the place, they had a pentagram scratched underneath the bed.
Oh, no.
So there was straight up seances. And I've had bad reports, but I bless the place.
Good.
Anything left in here is good. Because, I'll go get holy water, I'll bring it all in here.
Oh, yeah.
Did you use the sage on it?
Yeah, I will.
You sage your room?
Everybody that works here smudges.
Okay.
It's funny. This is another room you're welcome to look at. This is like red line district stuff, these 3 windows. I believe that when it was a brothel, the girls would walk down, and there's a little parking lot out here. The girls would walk down, and there's 2 windows there, and then you could pick your girl.
Oh, through the
I don't
window.
know that for sure, but that's what I
I'll
think.
bet you money.
I went to Amsterdam. I've been to the red light district. I know.
Oh, how was that? Was that cool?
It was really
It
cool.
was crazy, wasn't
Yeah.
it?
There's a back stairway there, but that's what it reminds me of.
Huh.
Exactly like red light district. So,
Oh,
Oh, I bet you're so right. And how in Arkansas they had the girls like that. They even in the graveyard had, it was like consort on
Yeah.
the grave marker.
yeah.
And they're buried beside the husband, and the wife's buried at the foot,
Oh, goodness.
which I think is just bizarre. I love the
I
way
have-
this is.
I'll be working sometimes and the pictures fall off the wall.
ah.
Been working, had a full load of linen, and the door opens for me because my arms are full.
Oh,
So
that's...
sometimes they help me. It's like,
So-
sometimes they kick me off, sometimes they help me.
Oh,
So,
okay.
yeah, but that's what Ernie always says, that they're a friendly group of goats.
Yeah, I don't know if I can walk down the
Oh,
stairs.
you're fine. Yeah, go in the elevator. You know, we're welcome to look around. All the doors are open. I didn't have to unlock
Well,
them, so.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Okay. Okay. We're out of here. Okay. So apparently, if they want high tops, they can crank this up. And for regular seating, crank it down. That is cool. I've never seen a table like that. Okay.